Hello and welcome back. We're just continuing on in the Max Waters Very Easy Sudoku Volume 2. There is a link down in the description, or you can just search for it on Amazon. I do make a small commission for many purchases. Looks like today we're doing puzzle number 233. If we start with this box, we're missing 4, 6, and 9. We've got 4 and 6 here, so this is our 9. I don't see any other help. So 4, 6, 4, 6. If we look at this row, we're missing 5, 7, and 9. We've got a 7 here, so 5, 9. 5 here, so 7, 9. 5 here, so 7, 9. That means the only place our 5 can be for that row is here. If we look at this row, we're missing 2, 7, and 9. No help here. 2, 7, 9. 7 here, so 2, 9, and again 7 here, so 2, 9, and that means that our 7 for that row has to be here. For this column, we've got 1, 2, 3, 4. We're missing a 5. For this box now, we're missing 4, 8, and 9. We've got a 4 here, so 8, 9. Don't see any other help, so 4, 8, 9, 4, 8, 9. If we look at this column, we're missing 4, 8, and 9. We've got 4 and 8 here, so this is our 9. That 4 makes this our 8, 4. We can get rid of this 4. For this box now, we're missing 5 and 7. I don't see any help, so 5, 7, 5, 7. If we look at this column, we're missing 2, 3, 6, and 9. We've got 3 and 9 here, so 2, 6, 2 and 3 here, oh, and 6, so that means this is our 9. 6 here, so 2, 3. 6 here, so 2, 3. That means the only place our 6 can be is here. If we look at this row now, we're missing 2, 5, and 7. We've got a 7 here, so 2, 5, 5 here, so 2, 7. For this row, we're missing 4, 5, and 8. We've got a 4 here, so 5, 8. 4 here, 8 here. Makes this our 5. That 8 makes this our 4. And this is our 8. That 5 makes this our 2, 7, 5, 7. And that 2 makes this our 9, 2. That 7 makes this our 9, 7. All right, for this box now, we're missing 2 and 5. We've got a 5 here, so 2, 5. For this box, we're missing 1, 3, and 9. We've got 1 and 9 here, so this is our 3. 9 here, so 1, 9. For this column now, we're missing 3 and 8. And I don't see any help. So 3, 8, 3, 8. For this column, we're missing 6 and 8. We've got a 6 here, so 8, 6. That 8 makes this our 3, 8. For this box now, we're only missing a 1. That 8 makes this our 9, 8. And that 3, oh no, that doesn't help us yet. For this box now, we're missing 2 and 3, and I don't see any help. So 2, 3, 2, 3. For this row, we're missing 6 and 9. We've got a 6 here, so 9, 6. For this column, we're missing 1, 2, and 7. We've got a 7 here, so 1, 2, 1 here, so 2, 7, 1 and 7 here, so this is our 2, 7, 1. That 2 makes this our 3, 2, and that 3 makes this our 2, 3. The 6 makes this our 4, 6. For this box now, we've got 1 and 2, we're missing a 3. And for this box, we're missing 4 and 9. We've got a 9 here, so 4 and 9. And there we have it for today's puzzle. Thank you so much for joining me again today. I hope you have a really good day, and I will see you back here again tomorrow with our next puzzle.